I will solve some assignment problems given by some student online. So in this lecture we have 5 problems. I will explain you question number 1 and question number 5. Other problems you can solve yourself. I will give the programs for the problems. The first step in programming is to declare the variables. When you are writing a program, first thing is to declare the variables required in the program. Count number of variables required in the program, number of inputs required, and the number of outputs required to in the program. Also think of variables to be used in the program, whether the variables are of type integer, float, character, double, etc. This is the type of data that we are going to use in the program. In order to run C or C++ programs, we need compilers. So these are the list of open source compilers: Dev C++, Turbo C++, Borland C or C++, Quincy, CodeBlocks for C++, digital mods. Please see the description of the video for download links for these compilers. If you are running programs in mobile, go to Play Store and download CPP Droid. Solutions to the problems in PDF file, and you can download PDF files from my website and see the description of the video for download links. You can use Dev C++, CodeBlocks, or Turbo C++ compiler to run the programs. If you are using Turbo C++, you need to use DOSBox program to run the C++ programs. So I will open Dev C++. Go to File menu, New, and open New Source File. Then when you are solving a problem, you need to understand the problem clearly. To arrive at satisfactory solution, we need to understand it clearly. In this problem, we are going to find volume of a sphere, where the volume equation is given as 4/3 pi r cube. So the first line in the program is hash include standard stdio.h, then void main open brace. We need to declare the variables in the program. To find volume of a sphere, we need one input. Input is the radius of the sphere. I take it as integer r, radius r, and float volume. Then I use prompting statement printf enter radius. Then I use scanf to give the input to the program. Percentage d is the conversion specifier. Then we use ampersand r. Ampersand is the address of operator. Then we need to give the volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cube pi star r star r star r. Then we need to display the output. Here output is the volume. Printf would give the conversion specifier for float. We give f and we write the name of the variable here. So Then after this we need to save the program. Here we are using pi. The value of pi we can declare it as a float. Float pi is equal to 3.1416. Also we can declare it as a hash define statement pi 3.1416. I will put it as a comment. So after this we need to save the program. Save. I will save it in the desktop. I will open one new folder. The folder name is ABC, something like this. Then I give it is a C program. From save type we need to choose the source file .c extension, and we give volume of sphere, volume of SPH is some name of the program we have to give. Then save. After saving this we have options to compile and run. Compile option, either we can click this icon or we can also use function key F9 to compile. If any compilation errors are there, it will be shown here. So here there is error, then again you compile. After removing the errors, printf here. Then to run the program, either you click the icon here or you can also use function key F10. I click here, enter the radius. Suppose radius I enter 5. Then the output is here. We can also format the output here. See, suppose in this, suppose if you want to get new line here, we can use slash and new line. Then compile. When you change any changes you make to the program, you need to recompile. See, now the cursor is coming down. Then I give 6. We get this output. Suppose if you want to just change the formatting, output in the formatting, suppose here we want to the volume of SPH sphere is, suppose if you want to change the output of the program, when you make any changes to the program you need to recompile. I compile here and see this thing, enter radius 7, the volume of the sphere is this much. So this way we can compile and we can run the program. In order to reduce the length of the video, I am directly showing the programs in Dev C++ compiler. This program to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, and this program is to convert dollar to various programs I gave in my material. We can go through it, and program to convert inches to centimeter, and this is swapping of variables. We want to exchange the value of variables, two variables. We use this program, and this program I will explain clearly. In this problem we need to exchange values of two variables. There is a value in x and value in y. We need to exchange the value of the variables. For this I take 3 glasses. The first glass is filled with water. We say it is x. Then the second glass also filled with water, y. We need to exchange. We take empty glass. One empty glass we take, and the logic of the program I explained in the algorithm and the flowchart. You can understand. See here that we take the third glass, third variable z. We put z is equal to x, means the value of x is transferred to z. First we fill this glass into z, then this glass will become empty. To this glass we fill this water, and finally we fill y is equal to z, means the value of z we put into y. The value of z we put into y. In this way we can transfer or exchange the value of variables, the value of two variables, without using third class or third variable. Also we can do swapping, that I explained in my other video. Now we try to run this program in dev C++. The program is already written. Here we need two variables. We declare two inputs to the program, and the third variable we declare z. We give input to the program using these statements. Before swapping we can display the values of x and y, and this is the program logic that I already explained. After swapping we can display the values of x and y. So in order to run this program we compile here using function 9 F9 key. If there are errors we can see the compilation status here. After that we run the program, enter the values of x and y. Suppose we enter 100 and 200. You can see before swapping 100 and 200, and after swapping we have the change of variables we can observe here. If you want PDF files of my video lectures, please visit www.engineerstutor.com. For PDF link, see description of the video. You can also write to me at rkgopal2020@gmail.com for any doubts and queries.